Hey, so today we are at this Jalan Phuah Hin Leong.
Yay!
Last time this Kai Curry Bar, one of the very famous place for Japanese curry.
Yeah, I'm the 中小 fancy.
Me too. And then now they moving down from a few doors away from the original one. Now today we are going to checking out their new place, and also they have this partnership with Fika Kafi Cafe.
Private dining.
Private dining.
Share the same premise and different sections.
Yes. Okay, come. Let's go. Go. Chứ thầu kẻ số bị sai họ lắng hiệp về ăn thầu hiệp gì vậy là để bị bé để mai hóa hiệp về có thầu hiệp gì. Bà lui operation hours thì quy điểm
11 to 6.
11 to 6 Off day? Off day?
My off day is Sunday and Monday.
Sunday and Monday lah. Nice. Actually si yuzu lemonade. Ít lẩu tính ví dụ hay là magic board, it bursts in your mouth once you suck it. Wow, chả refreshing không? Wow, chả lấy chị nhà cho con cao suy.
Sorry.
Wow, appetizing and refreshing.
Coffee.
我正醒意啫，一陣冇soda này cầm cả.
Lemonade I waiting for my mango lassi.
Sẽ sát theo qua đấy rồi. Tôi xem cái phố bồ gì rồi. Nà đuôi.
Wait, I want to take picture.
Sparkling so mine is sparkling, yours is lassi lah. Okay. Enjoy.
But of course they also sell coffees. And then I want to try something different lah.
Lassi nhá.
Yeah. And taste that the drink is fresh. Eat guleng is fresh.
Good.
You block my sunlight.
I block your sunlight. Okay.
Yes.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
This one Kai Curry Bar. Last time I already took their photo before during my Steven Gore vlog. Those days So this time they moved to a new place already, so we come here to check it out again. And their favorite, their signature is this katsu Katsu. And then I like this one, the hamburger. The hamburger, mine also pork lah. This one is the hamburger. Hamburger they got two sizes, you know. This is the regular one and the mini one. Come, let's check out. Yeah. Actually, this is also one of their signature lah. This one they have this radish, they have this lotus root, you know, very nice. This curry goes in a pan. Oh, dear. This starter, this one complimentary one. No appetizing. Check one iba nhá.
Last time had add-on
Yeah, correct.
mushroom, shiitake mushroom.
They are still new yet, and their menu still not yet complete. So these are all those that still, they're hot selling, best seller. Yeah. Well, actually, you pack with look at tiếng Hoa. You pack with tầm bộ garlic tầm bộ onion thì trong này flavor. Lại có sổ lui tầm bộ. Nào bác gia đây lên
Quite big, you know.
Cái cắt dưa kìa. Crunchy.
So I miss these days. No, during MCO they moved to home base.
No, they moved to home base. You order lah.
I ordered real.
Yeah. I came here to pick up, you know. Got once I came here to pick up. The better kìa, crunchy.
Know what's the meaning? Why they name the shop called
Kai Curry Bar. Kai is the kid's name. The son. But now the son grown up already lah, become a badminton player lah. So mother is cooking.
I still remember she will like put up the drawing of
dinosaur. The dinosaur. I think this is dinosaur. I saw that. Then their curry, the curry boss makes themselves. The lady boss, they don't use outside one. They mix themselves and then they buy their own ingredients. So the taste is so good, this one. So this is a tiramisu here, and wow, this one is quite nice. Các bạn try qua tiramisu chứ? Có sẽ hương liệu này vậy.
Cái sự alcohol vậy.
Đó.
Chả là cái là mình nghĩ là.
Chả bị thử. Cái điều tầm một cheesy cam gà này.
Taste the coffee.
Can taste the coffee, can taste the cream, and then very milky. Cái cuốn chỗ nắng chụp cái gì? Very good. Okay, interesting.
细百货了。